Personal information. Hello. What brings you in today?
Hi, I'm here for a job interview.
Great. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Cassie.
And how old are you, Cassie?
I'm 25.
How did you hear about this position?
I saw the job posting on your website.
Are you currently working anywhere?
No, not at the moment.
Where do you live?
I live in Rivertown on Green Street.
Is your place close to the company?
Yes, about 20 minutes away by bus.
Easy commute for you?
Yes, very convenient. The bus stop is right near my house.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
How do you usually get to work?
I usually take the bus, but sometimes I ride my motorbike.
Are you comfortable coming in early in the morning?
Yes, that's no problem. I always wake up on time.
Education. Where did you study? I studied at Rivertown University. What was your major? Business administration. Why did you choose that major?
Because I like working with people and learning about business.
What did you enjoy most in college?
Group projects and learning from my professors.
Do you have any certificates?
Yes, I have a computer certificate and a short course in customer service.
What subjects did you enjoy the most?
Communication and marketing.
What skills from college can help you in this job?
Teamwork, time management, and communicating with customers.
Work experience. Tell me about your last job.
I worked in an office as a customer service assistant.
What were your main duties?
Answering calls, assisting customers, and sending emails.
What did you learn from that job?
How to work with people and solve small problems quickly.
What did you like the most?
Helping customers and working with my team.
What was the biggest challenge?
Handling many customers at the same time.
How did you handle problems?
I stayed calm, listened carefully, and found simple solutions.
Why did you leave the job?
I wanted to learn new things and find better opportunities. Skills and abilities. What are your strengths?
I'm organized and work well with others.
Your biggest weakness?
Sometimes I take too long to finish tasks, but I'm working on improving that.
Are you good with Word and Excel?
Yes, I write reports in Word and make spreadsheets in Excel.
What other programs can you use?
PowerPoint, Google Docs, and basic office software.
How do you stay organized?
I use a calendar and make to-do lists to manage tasks.
Can you solve problems?
Yes, I try different approaches until I find the best solution.
Can you work under pressure?
Yes, I stay focused and calm.
Work style and personality. How do you handle stress?
I stay calm and come up with a plan.
Give me an example of a challenge you faced.
I once had a tight deadline, so I made a schedule and finished on time.
What if your manager gives you a task you don't understand?
I'd politely ask for clarification to make sure I do it correctly.
How do you deal with sudden changes?
I adapt quickly and focus on what needs to be done first.
How do you work with others?
I listen, share ideas, and work as a team.
How do you deal with feedback?
I take it positively and improve my work.
What keeps you motivated?
Reaching my goals and learning new things.
How do you prioritize tasks?
I make a list and start with the most important ones.
Can you work with little supervision?
Yes, I can manage my own tasks.
How do you deal with difficult people?
I stay calm, listen, and try to understand them before responding. Company and job interest. Why do you want this job?
I like your company's values, and I believe I can contribute.
What do you know about us?
You're known for great products and excellent customer service.
Why should we hire you?
I'm hardworking, responsible, and eager to learn.
Are you willing to travel?
Yes,
Can you work long hours if needed?
yes, that's fine.
What are your career goals?
To grow and take on more responsibilities.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In a higher position with more skills.
What's your ideal work environment?
Supportive and team-oriented.
How do you learn new skills?
By taking courses and practicing.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and going for walks. Questions about the job. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Can I ask a few?
Sure. Go ahead.
I'd like to know more about the team.
The team is friendly and very cooperative.
Is there room for growth?
Yes, definitely.
Will I get training?
Yes, all new employees get training.
Will I work with other teams too?
Sometimes, yes.
Okay, that's all.
Well, I think you're the right fit. Congratulations, you got the job.
Thank you so much. I won't disappoint you.
Job offer and final discussion. Before we wrap up, Do you have more questions?
Yes. Is this job full-time or part-time?
Full-time.
What are the working hours?
Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Do we get breaks?
Yes. A 1-hour lunch break and 1 short afternoon break.
Sounds good. What's the monthly salary?
$5,000 per month.
That's a great offer. Are there bonuses or benefits?
Yes. Performance bonuses and health insurance.
When would you like me to start?
The day after tomorrow, if possible.
Sure, no problem.
Great. Please arrive before 8 a.m. on your first day.
Will do. Thank you, sir. I'm excited to start.